Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Dave the Rave here, and welcome back to a slightly different kind of vlog, and I should say welcome back to the channel as well. Today in this video, I'm here at the Alton Towers Resort, but I'm not jumping on the monorail. No. I'm going in that direction. Yes, I'm here at the Alton Towers Resort for 2 days. I have had my first day today. So I'm going to be there tomorrow, which will be a full vlog. Don't you worry about that. But anyway, today I'm actually booked for 2 nights at the Splash Landings Hotel on site, which is pretty cool. So yeah, what I'm going to go and do now is check in my room and obviously show you guys said room in case you are visiting the Alton Towers Resort and you want to know where to stay. So yeah, anyway, let's take a peep inside the Splash Landings Hotel. So I've just checked in to the hotel and I've got this lovely key card using the online booking. Quick and easy, you can do that on your way to the resort, and you can pick it up from the kiosks at the desk. I just want to say, loving the carpet of the hotel room. But yeah, I will see you guys when I get to my room. So here we are at my room, number 1350. I do like the door effect. It's pretty nice. I have taken the liberties of putting my things in there. You know, so yeah, that's all good. So I got my key card. Let's go and have a look at the room. So first of all, you know, you've got, let's start with the boring bits. You've got your fire safety, and then you've got the hotel information there, clearly printed on the door, which is good to see. Then you've got an area to hang things up if you want to do that, as well as a pull-out if you need it. Over here in the bathroom, got just excuse me, there we go. You got a nice wide sink, a couple of cups, face towel with some kelp soap, which I won't be using, and some more towels up there. Obviously, you can use the ones provided here, or you can bring your own. I've taken the option to bring my own because that's just the person I am. But I like these very sea shanty lights, and I like the artwork there. Just gonna close the door over because you've got a nice combined bath and shower, which I haven't tested yet. But then again, like, they got the really nice artwork all around it, so it's all good. Moving now into the main living space. I like this old lamp design. Obviously it's for one of the lamps. I like this canvas drawing. It reminds me a little bit of the advert that they used back in the day when they were promoting the place. We've got a nice oriental table lamp. I do like the tropical theming of the lampshade. Got a 3 mirror dresser. Hello, that's me again. Storage down here in this lovely table if you need it, and also the plug socket for the lamp, nicely hidden. And that's got a nice design to it as well. The chair, again, got a really nice design, a nice cushion design. And you just got open storage here, and you've got a hairdryer there as well in case you need it, as well as your bin. You do have coffee and tea making facilities, as well as some biscuits. I might have to pinch those. But yeah, I don't drink tea or coffee, so really it doesn't matter to me. Nice telly, good Samsung telly, perfect for watching TV if you want to. My view isn't so great, it's just looking out onto a pathway, but it doesn't matter. I like the decor here though, either side of the windows. And here is the master bed that I shall be sleeping in tonight. You can see I've got my stuff down there. Yeah, so that's the bed I'll be sleeping in tonight. A nice double bed. I love the phone here. Just close that up. Love the phone. Very classic looking telephone. And this is a family room. So if you've got 1 or 2 kids, they can obviously they can sleep in these in this bunk bed. But I don't need to do that. So yeah, it's a really really nice room. Like I say, I've got this on discount because I am a silver Merlin pass holder, and if you are a pass holder, you are automatically granted access to the Merlin Holiday Club, which allows you 20% off all accommodation in Merlin locations. Ordinarily, a place or the Splash Landings Hotel for 2 nights is £216 for 1 adult, and if you're booking it with discount the week before, like I did, it's going to bring the cost down to around £189. So yeah, that's quite a big difference. So yeah. Also, one thing I forgot to mention is here you can opt to have meals delivered to your room. I'm personally not going to be doing that because I'm going to be booking my dinner at the roller coaster restaurant tonight, and I'll probably carry on and do a vlog from that. Well, I'll probably just carry on the vlog when I'm there. So yeah, I'm going to go and book that and get myself settled, and then I'll probably see you when I go to the roller coaster restaurant. So I was going to book the roller coaster restaurant for dinner tonight, but I didn't know, or I didn't research how to do the booking. So yeah, I have booked breakfast tomorrow. That's breakfast in the Secret Garden, which is located within the Alton Towers Hotel. So that once you're here, I should say that once you're here, whatever restaurant and stuff, even if it's in another accommodation, you can book that if you want. So even if you were staying in Enchanted Village, you can book a room in the Secret Garden rather than the Crooked Spoon. So that's what I've done for tomorrow for breakfast. I'm going to go and eat it in the Secret Garden. I have a booking for 8 o'clock, so that's good. So anyway, what I'm going to do is have probably margarita pizza and a side of either garlic bread or onion rings, I'm not sure. But yeah, you can just see some of the options there. So kids meal is £7, or kids beef burger is £7, and the chicken goujon thing is £6. And you're looking at £12.50 to £15.50 for a pizza, and all the sides are £3.50. So I'm going to go and order that, and yeah, I'll let you know when it arrives. So obviously Splash Landing's opening in 2003 was known for the Europe's first water park hotel. Now you can book tickets if you'd like to visit the water park, but I haven't today. I also did forget to mention that extraordinary golf is also included in your ticket when you are staying over at any of the Alton Towers resort accommodations. So that's the Alton Towers Hotel, Splash Landings, the stargazing pods, and also the Enchanted Village. So it took about half an hour, something like that, for the food to arrive. But here it is. So here is the margarita pizza. Looks very nice, actually. Got some nicer tomato slices on there as well. And also, I think if I can find the... No, I might need... Oh, no. And I got some chips with that. I should have picked up some salt. Never mind. Yeah. I'm going to eat that and then get back to you. So, I've just spent, a bit of time having the pizza and chips. Unfortunately, I am full. So, yeah, it was a nice pizza though. Don't get me wrong, it was cooked well and everything. Chips are alright as well. But don't worry, because tomorrow I've got this for breakfast and lunch, if I can find a way to put it in my bag. If not lunch, then I've got it for tea tomorrow as well. It doesn't bother me having cold pizza because it's something to eat. So yeah, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do now. But yeah, when I do something, I'll let you know, whatever it is. So yeah. So guys, it's been a few hours since I last spoke to you. I've literally just been chilling and watching YouTube on my phone, and stuff, because there's nothing really much else to do. So yeah. So what I'm probably going to do is get some sleep, so I've got lots of energy for my park day tomorrow, as you know. So I can get the vlog out from another park, so that'll be good. So yeah, all it leaves me to say is good night, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. There we go. Good morning, guys. So yeah, just woken up, and yeah, it's 8 o'clock, so I can be on the entrance plaza around 9ish, something like that. But yeah, I had a really good sleep last night, actually. This bed was really comfortable, much more comfier than my bed at home. Sorry.
So yeah, I'm gonna get myself ready for the day and everything, and then I'm going to give you kind of my overall review of Splash Landings Hotel outside the building, and I'm going to end this vlog. So yeah, let's do that.
So I'm now here, back outside where I started, in yesterday's, when I started out yesterday. So my overall review of Splash Landings, really, really cool hotel. Even if you are a single person, going in like I am, it's more than enough for you, in terms of what you get. The perks of staying, such as, you can go to the water park if you want. You can do extraordinary golf, which is included. The size of the room is pretty much perfect. The size of the bed is really good as well. I can certainly say that I had a comfortable night's sleep last night, ready for my day today. So yeah, I think overall I would give it an 8 out of 10. I would like to see, the booking system and stuff done properly, and kind of like a day or so before your stay, you get an email to say, make sure you book food if you want to, because I definitely would have booked the roller coaster restaurant. But yeah, apart from that, I don't really have anything much to say. And I will also say that the Splash Landings Hotel, the Splash Landings Hotel is the closest to the monorail. So if you had like a long day at the park and you don't really want to walk that far, I suggest booking Splash Landings. Anyway guys, I'm going to end off this video here. If you guys have enjoyed it, then please do remember to leave me a thumbs up, as it really does help me out. Comment below about anything that's happened in the video, and of course I will get back to you. Are you staying in the Splash Landings Hotel soon? If so, do let me know. Are you new around here? If you are, then why not hit that red subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit the bell icon too, so that you never ever miss when I upload a new video. So I just want to say thank you very, very, very much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog, or in the next vlog. Goodbye.